Hello friends, it's Miss K and I'm here with Unit 2A, Lesson 12. Today is another day where we are rereading our previous chapter, so we have no read aloud today, but we do have some review on a couple sentences from that last chapter. So number 1, the great conqueror is dead. It says, why does the author not name the conqueror in the sentence above? Number 2, what does ruled with an iron fist mean in the sentence above? William I had ruled England with an iron fist. He punished anyone who refused to be loyal to him. Number 3 wants to know what the word bright means. Bright and determined, he made major reforms in justice, finance, and the armed forces. Number 4, what is treason? Number 5, which detail supports the idea that King Henry II set up a fair court system? Which one supports that? Number 6 wants to know what restore means. By the time he died in 1189 CE, Henry II had done a lot to restore the power and authority of the English monarchy. Number 7, what literary device is used in the sentence above? But things did not work out that way. Number 8, did Thomas Becket listen to Henry when he tried to limit the church's power? Number 9, the Pope threatened to excommunicate or remove Henry from the church. Number 10, who is who in this picture? So is Henry I on the left or is Becket on the left? Number 11, which does not support the Henry was just sulking? And this quote supports that. Was Henry just sulking or was he encouraging the assassination of Thomas? Which one does not support the fact that he was just sulking? He was just a little upset. Number 12, what does the phrase, "it is said," mean in the sentence above? It is said that Henry never forgave himself for the death of his friend. And number 13, how many countries was Eleanor of Aquitaine the queen of? All right, that is all for today. Make sure that you are rewatching yesterday's video to reread that chapter. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye, Adams.